To download and install the Paxful Wallet app on your mobile device, follow these steps. First, ensure your device is compatible with the app. It supports both Android and iOS devices. Open the App Store on your device. For Android devices, this is the Google Play Store, and for iOS devices, this is the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type Paxful Wallet and select the correct app from the search results. The Paxful Wallet app is developed by Paxful Inc. and has the Paxful logo as its icon. Once you have selected the correct app, click the Install button to begin the download process. The app is approximately 50 megabytes in size, so it should only take a few seconds to download depending on your internet connection speed. After the download is complete, click the Open button to launch the app. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. If you are creating a new account, you will need to provide some basic information such as your email address and password. You will also need to verify your email address by clicking on the verification link sent to you by Paxful. This is a security measure to ensure the account is being created by the actual owner of the email address. Once your account is created and verified, you can log into the app and start using it. The Paxful Wallet app allows you to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. It is highly recommended that you enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This can be done in the app settings. In conclusion, downloading and installing the Paxful Wallet app on your mobile device is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can start using the app to manage your cryptocurrencies. Always ensure you are downloading the app from the official App Store and follow best practices to keep your account secure.